Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 9 mathematics. We will continue our exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5 here. Now look at question number 8. The instruction is given here. Factorize each of the following. Each of the following. But before going to factorize these polynomials, we have to keep one thing in our mind, that a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is equal to whole cube of a plus b, and a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus 3a b square, that is equal to whole cube of a minus b. These two things we have to keep in our mind, or these two identities we have to keep in our mind when we are going to solve this question. Now look at the first here. The first is here 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay students, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now we can write a cube as whole cube of 2a, b cube we can write as whole cube of b. Now 12a square b, that we can write in the form of 3 into the square of 2a into b, and 6b ab square we can write in the form of 3a and b square. Okay student, now again I am repeating that when we solve the cube of 2a we will get 8a cube, when we will solve b cube we will get b cube. Now when we are solving this one, the square of 2a is 4a square and 4 3 is 12a square b, and the square of b is b square, 3 2 is 6 ab square. So students, looking at this identity, you can judge that the cube of a plus cube of b plus 3a square ab plus 3ab square, cube of a plus cube of b plus 3a square b plus 3a and b square, that is equal to whole cube of a plus b, whole cube of a plus b. So we can write it 2a plus b whole cube. Okay students, any confusion? In the same way, we have to solve question number 5 here. In question number 5, it is given that 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Now 27p cube we can write in the form of 3p whole cube minus 1 by 216 we can write minus 1 by 6 whole cube. Now 9 by 2p square we can also write in the form of 3 a square b plus 3a and b square. Okay student, now when we are solving it, we will get the cube of 3p is 27p cube, cube of 1 by 6 is 1 by 216. Now here 3 2 is 6, what remains here? 1 by 2, and when by 1 by 2 multiplied with the square of 3p is 9p square. 9p square multiplied with 1 by 2 we will get 9 by 2p square. Now the square of 1 is 1 and the square of 6 is 36. 36 is when divided by 3 3 is 9, we will get here 4. 3 3 is 9 here, and when 9 is divided by 6, the square of 6 is 36. So 9 4 is 1 by 4 we will get here 1 by 4p. So a student doing this identity, you will see here a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus 3ab square, that is equal to a minus b whole cube. Similarly here, the cube of a minus cube of b minus 3a square b plus 3a here and b square is equal to whole cube of a minus b. Is there any doubt, students? I hope there is no doubt. Now we will solve the next question, question number 9. So, but before that, we have to make it clear. Now in question number 9, we have to verify two results. The first result is here, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, student, that we have to verify here. Now, first part we have to write. We know that what is the whole cube of x plus y? The whole cube of x plus y is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, students, we know that this identity, the whole cube of x plus y is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Now, leaving these two terms, we are transferring this term in right side. So here this term is in plus. So when we change the side of this term, it turns into minus. Minus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, students? Now x cube plus y cube. Now, students, what we will take common here? We will take, in the both of the terms, we will take x plus y as common. So when we take x plus y from this term common, what remains here? The square of x plus y minus 3xy. Now x cube plus y cube, x plus y, and what is the whole square of x plus y? X square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. When we elaborate it, we will get x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now x cube plus y cube, that is equal to x plus y x square, and when we subtract the terms, we will get here minus xy plus y square, that is equal to RHS verified. In the same way, we have to solve the second number of question. The second number question is here, students, x cube minus y cube, that is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, so we know, students, here x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, that is equal to whole cube of x minus y. We know that the x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y is equal to whole cube of x minus y. Now, continuing the term here, we are keeping the x cube and minus y cube this side, and this all term we have to transfer in the next side. So x minus y whole cube into, when we are transferring this term in that side, it turns into plus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, students? Now, out of these both terms, what we will take common? X minus y. So from both of the terms, we are taking here x minus y as common. Now, if we are take x minus y from both of the term common, what remains here? X minus y whole square. Okay, and x minus y we have already taken common. What remains here? 3xy. So x cube minus y cube into x minus y, and when we expand this x square of x minus y, it will be x square plus y square plus minus 2xy, and here it is plus 3xy. Okay students, no confusion I hope. Now continuing the terms here, x cube minus y cube, x minus y here students, and x square. When we add the terms, we will get here plus xy and here plus y square. That result that we have to get here. So we have to write here very right. So this way students, you can solve question number 8 and 9 of exercise 2.5. Rest question we will solve in our next exercise. Thank you students.